National Investigation Agency kala Khynra habun tili ke jila hagari India kentup ya ke Meghalaya habai de berjisha tombor hakikam leno. Menteri rang ba ke jila korat sangma habai keren ke nongtok kubur ula kubur ba kadon ke jing Khynra jong ke NIA ha ke jila ula berap da ke baong ba katkum ke jingtip ke ba uyo ya gani ke jing Khynra lale habun ke jaka bandlum jingtip habai de ke jingbthei ke badang jiashan ha nongba Delhi. Menteri rang ba ula kentaj banyatu syu habai dei bat kani da ka baong ba kani ka dei halor ka sukasany jong kari hi baro ka wei ulong ba kamlong ka ba dei banya kren halor kani ka bynta bat ban ai jingtip lot ulong ba jila kai trailang bat ke NIA halor kani.
Because it is sensitive in nature and is to do with national security. So for us to talk about it in press would be incorrect. That's number one. Number two, all we want to say is that we are here to cooperate with them in every way possible, and we're cooperating to ensure that whatever support and help required will be done. So that's all we want to say. Apart from that, I think it's sensitive in nature in the sense that it's to do with national security, and we are all aware about the kind of incidents that happen. Therefore, we'll refrain from going into details. But as I said, full cooperation is being given from the state side in whatever way possible to help in this investigation. I don't want to. Again, I would be in one way compromising with the details. It is wrong because it's to do with national security. So I don't want to go into details.
How safe is Shillong?
No. That's only it's completely different. It's to do with whatever the background check and everything. So we'll just leave it at that. There's nothing to do with any other thing. So I don't think there's any other issue that there was some kind of something happening or something. Nothing like that. It's basically part of the investigation.
Any alert for Meghalaya as a whole?
No. As I said, it's only an investigation. It's part of the investigation. Nothing more. So let the investigation happen.
Out of 5 states that were named where NIA raid took place, Meghalaya is one of them. So is it serious?
Like I said, it's part of the investigation. So let that investigation happen. It's to do with the Delhi blast, and therefore the investigations are on. I don't want to comment on anything beyond that because it's a matter of national security, and I will be compromising that investigation if I were to spell out any more further details about that. But that's all it is. There's nothing to worry. It's part of the investigation process.